Stash Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Stash is a robo-advisor designed for beginner investors who want an easy way to start investing with as little as $5. Unlike traditional robo-advisors, Stash offers a hybrid approach, automating portfolios while allowing users to pick individual stocks and ETFs. It provides themed investment options, a banking feature with a debit card, and a roundup investing tool. Stash is best for those who need guidance but still want some control over their investments. The platform charges a flat monthly fee, $3 for the personal plan and $9 for Stash Plus, which is expensive compared to competitors that charge a percentage of assets. The automated portfolios are diversified, but the customization feature can lead inexperienced users to make poor investment choices. The educational resources are helpful, but the app's fee structure makes it more suitable for those investing consistently over time rather than casual investors. Stash does not offer tax loss harvesting, a major drawback compared to other robo-advisors. Customer support is limited to chat and email, which can be frustrating. Overall, Stash is a good option for beginners who want a mix of automation and stock picking, but may not be the best choice for cost-conscious or more advanced investors.